In this video series, I am showing you different ways to make money without affiliate marketing. Today we are going to look at different ways that you can make money selling your photos. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn 6 places that you can make money selling your photos that are safe for work. Hello. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Now, selling your photos online can be a good opportunity to make money, and just about any photo that you take can make money. You can make money selling photos of nature, of protests, of food, of people walking down the street, of places like the Chicago Bean. There's just a number of ways that people can make money selling photos. And the reason why this is so popular and profitable is large websites like the AP News, they can't have photographers everywhere. And so if you place your photos on one of the websites that I mentioned, it can potentially be purchased by AP News and CNN and some of those other places. Also, bloggers like myself look for B-roll and other images that we can add to spice up our blog or website to make money. So there are a lot of ways and a lot of reasons to make money. And you can also make money 24/7 with your basic photos. So without further ado, let's go ahead into these 6 places you can sell your photos and make money. #1 is Shutterstock. And as you can see here, with Shutterstock, they will take just about any type of photo. Last year, there were a lot of protests going on. And so there were a lot of protest-heavy photographs that were purchased. As you can see, Shutterstock powers Google, AMC, AOL, BBDO, BuzzFeed, Capital One, Marvel, and I'm sure more. And you can browse by just about anything. You can type in, we can type in nature, and you're going to see there are tons of pictures with nature. And the cool thing is you can actually just use your smartphone. You don't have to have a high-quality camera. Obviously, the better camera, better picture that you take, the more appealing it'll be to a wider range of audience. But as you can see, these are nature photos. If you live in Wisconsin, you can say nature in winter, or you can say like northern Wisconsin or something like that. As you can see, people are taking very good pictures of people in nature. I'm just going to type in Wisconsin, WSCONSIN, just like that. And you're going to see there are people taking pictures of random places in Wisconsin. I believe this is Milwaukee, but as you can see, there are lots of opportunities. You upload a picture to Shutterstock and someone buys it, you can make up to 40% royalties from your picture. So this is a good way to make some money. Another way that you can make money is with iStock. This is by Getty Images. And once again, people like websites like CNN, Fox News, you name it, they can't have photographers everywhere. In fact, it would be very expensive for them to have photographers in every city, depending on what pops up and pops off. And so again, websites are coming here and they're buying these websites and you can earn money. They have free footages, free photos down here, but most of them are paid. For example, let's go to fitness and wellness. You can click on that. As you can see, people are buying these types of photos. We'll go to diet and people are making these purchases on basic photos. People are running, people are just doing everyday thing and making money. And like Shutterstock, you can get paid up to 40% royalties when someone purchases your photos. Now, the key is, in my opinion, is to upload lots of images. You never know what people are going to like and purchase. Upload pictures of everything. You take pictures of your friends and family with their permission, upload it. You take pictures when you go out on vacation, you go down to Nashville or something like that, you can post them there. You go to a football game. That's going to be pretty important right now, football, just like that. We can type these words in correctly. We'll do football. And as you can see, people have football images. You can take pictures of stadiums. Let's type in NFL and see if anything pops up. This might be copyright or some issues. As you can see here, this person is probably attending a game. He took a picture there. The Super Bowl, lots of options. These are out in public. You can take these pictures. These people are at the game. If you can find topical trending things, that's going to be a great way. And one way to find topical and trending things is if we go over to trends.google.com, just like that. Another thing that you could look up is college football. If we scroll up, today's Saturday, we can type in college football, just like that. And you're going to see potentially people with college football, Ohio State Stadium, Ohio Station, whatever that's called, and scroll down, you can see there's some opportunity, Oregon, and so on. Find something that's topical, take pictures of it if you can, and make money. So if we go to trending searches and we look at things that are trending, Chelsea versus Man City. If we click on this real quick, I'm just going to copy this. Let's copy Chelsea, and hopefully we don't get, let's see, we'll go up here and we're going to paste in Chelsea, hit enter. Let's try Chelsea. Oh, if we look over here on the right hand side, you can see they have a stadium. So again, this is a good way to make some money. Chelsea Football Club, Chelsea FC, just like that. And as you can see, these images, people have taken them and they're selling them over on iStock by Getty Images. And like I mentioned, you can get paid up to 40% there. After that, we can go to Adobe Stock, and with Adobe Stock, you earn up to $3.30 per photo. So per photo sold. And if we look here, you can see once again, you're taking regular everyday images. People are buying them and making money. After Adobe Stock, we are looking at 500px, and with 500px, you can earn up to 60% royalties for images. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see there's all sorts of stuff that people are taking. We can paste in, let's paste in Chelsea Football Club again and see if we can get the same results. One thing that you could consider doing is posting the same images in multiple places. Look at this. Chelsea Football Club based solely on Google Trends, just like this. Christopher Reeve, Kelly Price, Grimes, Bitcoin, all trending things that you could copy, take pictures of, and put them in these various places. With 500px Prime, you can earn up to 60% royalties, as I mentioned, all based on the Chelsea Football Club or whatever is trending. If we go over here, another great way is with Etsy. Etsy is a giant search engine. I don't think people realize this, but people are coming to Etsy based on trending topics. And as we can see, I typed in Chelsea FC for Chelsea Football Club. People are taking images and doing all sorts of stuff, but you can sell your photos right through here as well. If we go up and we type in photos, just like that, you can see there are photos of just about anything and everything. You can make custom photos if you wanted to, but I think with Etsy, it's a pretty good opportunity because you can set the prices. As you can see here, you set the price at $27. You pay a 40% listing fee, and then you have to pay 5% sales commission. So you would actually keep more of the money if you went by Etsy. But Etsy, as I mentioned, is a search engine that people are using trending topics for. If we go back over here, you could find, I think I said John Jones here. If we copy John Jones, this will probably be the one time that it doesn't work. We paste that in, John Jones, we hit enter, and you can see people are creating content about John Jones. We scroll down, it works again and again and again. You can also do the same thing with real-time searches. AC Milan, Manchester, scroll down, LSU Tigers football. You can see this is working with just about anything. And finally, you can actually sell your photos online on your own website. You can use a plugin like Easy Digital Download. You could also go over to ThemeForest, and you can look up a theme where you sell photos. We can type in photography, just like that, and then you're going to see that there are WordPress themes that actually give you the ability to sell your photos integrated. As you can see, there are demo pages. What you're looking for is something like WooCommerce, where you can sell it yourself, or you can use Easy Digital Downloads, as I mentioned here. But these are the 6 ways. You can sell through Shutterstock. You can sell also through iStock by Getty. 500px Adobe Photo is another option, and you can sell it through Etsy as well as through your website. What I recommend that you do is try and jump on trending topics, and you can start making some money. Now, if this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.